I am William Cabrera Carreon, and I'm going to talk about several topics of calculus. First, compositions between functions that consist in which you try to join several kinds of functions together by putting the certain variable, and later you put um, the function or operation on the x that it is supposed that is executing executing the function. There is also just functions that that is a relation between a set of inputs and a set of variable outputs with property that each input relate to exactly output, which means that there are some relationships between a certain number with a certain letter, like here's 0, it's equal to 0 square, 1 square is equal to 1 square, but 7 square is equal to 49. Now we'll talk about operations with functions, which it's pretty simple. It's that you have some sort of letter that or something to represent the function that you want to talk about, and later you have to make an operation by doing things like subtracting certain number or adding some certain number, as well as multiplying it or it, and so far. And it depends on what kind of result you will have. Now there is also the straight line, which consists in making some functions in a graphic and make and its formula is pretty simple. It's and it is that is x y 2 and y 1 and y minus y 1 and x2 minus x1 to get the m, and it's just that you graphic some sort of function. Now parabola is when it is some sort of then its quadratic function graphicated, which it consists in normally in three components that are a, b, and c. And if it's a constant, a it's not equal to 0. The graph of quadratic function is U-shaped curve called and it is when it's up it is positive, and it is down it's negative, and they are vertex and there's an y and j and x intercepts that help write the function of the equation of a parabola.